Okay, so you want to create a custom cursor like this one without using any JavaScript framework. Let's do it. So I will create a new code pen, and from here, if you observe this markup, then we have two parts, actually two divs. So first one is the yellow part itself that I will call the cursor dot, and then the white part will be the cursor outline. So let's write the markup for those two. So here I've created just two simple div. One is cursor dot, so the yellow part, and other one is the cursor outline, so the white part. Okay, and so to write the css is very simple. So first I just selected the entire element of the web page and said margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing is border box, and then entire body I gave them the height of 100 view height. Background color is this one, and cursor to be none, because when I hover over the part where we are seeing the output, you see that I'm not seeing any cursor. Okay, so that's what we are getting with this property. After this I've said cursor dot width 20 pixel, height 20 pixel, background color yellow, and we see that output. After that we have to style cursor outline with 60, height 60, border 2 pixel, solid white. There you go, we see that. And now let's style both of them at one point. So cursor dot and cursor outline position is fixed where top 0, left 0, and by using transform property of translate, I fixed them at this particular position from top of 0 and left of 0. Border radius of 50% so that I can transform all of them into a circle. G index of 1 because I want them to appear on top. Pointer events none. So this is the all CSS that we have to write for this markup to make them appear like this one. Now we have to create this functionality. For that we will have to write JavaScript code. So over here in the JavaScript panel, let's now provide these HTML elements the data attribute because we need to target them using the DOM. So over here in the JavaScript section, we will have to write the code to access the DOM. So I'm going to declare two variables, one is cursor dot and one is cursor outline, and then document.query selector, I'm going to select the data cursor dot and look like this, and then cursor outline. I set both of them, and now I can target both of them to create something like this one. So how to do that? Well, here you just write window dot add event listener, then the event that you will be listening will be mouse move, because of course that's what we need to target. And then I'm just going to pass a callback function that will accept E as the event because that is what on which we are going to target the different events. Here I'll create two variables, position x and position y. Position x will get the value from e.clientx. So this client x simply gives you the current coordinates from the horizontal axis, so the current coordinates of the cursor that is moving. Similarly, e.clienty will also give you the current coordinates but from y axis. After that you need to style them. So cursor dot style dot left, whatever position we are getting from this x variable, concatenate that with the pixel. And then similarly we are doing for the y axis as well. Similarly we will style cursor outline as well, and by doing this you will have a very simple version of what we want to achieve. But wait a second, this does not look smooth. So to make it smooth we will have to apply animation to it. So to create the animation we are just going to say cursor outline dot animate, and inside this we are going to pass two objects that will contain all of the values that we want. So from left I just want position x, from top I want position y, and then pass another object that contains the duration of the animation. So duration is 500, that is in millisecond, that will be 0.5 I think, yeah it will be, and then fill is backwards. So now when you move your cursor backwards and forwards, now you see you have a smooth transition. So it was a quick tutorial teaching you how to create a custom cursor in JavaScript without using any external frameworks. So do make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. I keep publishing such useful and quick programming tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, happy coding.